Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, today I want to do this unboxing of this Bear & Sons pocket knife that I just purchased at Smoky Mountain Knife Works the other day. This is going to be the first Bear & Son pocket knife I ever bought. And I just want to bring y'all along and show you what I got. Show you the model number here. It's a CRSB54, 4.1 inches or 4.18 inches long. Trapper knife. It's gonna be a full-size trapper, and these knives are made in Jacksonville, Alabama. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open here and show you what I got. First thing I'm gonna show you, it comes in this like sock style little bag here with drawstrings. And here's my pocket knife that I bought. It's got the red stag bone handles on it. Really nice looking handles. I like that. The color is really nice on this knife. That's what I bought it for the most part. And also I want a new trapper style knife. And wanted to try one of the Bear & Sons. Like I say, I've never bought one. One thing I noticed, it's got that one pin in it right there. I believe my case trapper has at least 2 pins. It could even have 3. I don't have it with me right now. I'm still on vacation. But let me show you right here just the blades real quick. Show you how they look, how they centered. So it looks pretty good. Give you a close look right there, the back spring and the liner and everything. It looks real good. And it's got the nickel silver bolsters. Give you a look at those. And right here, I don't know if you can read that. It says carbon 4th generation. So this is going to be, I believe, what they call a carbon 4th generation series knives. And the overall length of the handle and the knife and everything is 4 1/8 inches. And it's got 3 1/4 inch blades on it. And it says right here, it says they're polished hollow ground blades. And I'll just go ahead and show you the blades real quick. The first one here is going to be this clip point. Let me just open it up, let you hear it. All right. So here's this clip point blade. Show the back side of it right there. And you can see right off, I can see the difference how the style of this compared to a case clip point is a little bit different. Right up in here, you can see that looks a little different, how that is, how they made that. Show you the back side here. And y'all can see right here, the CS, you can barely see it right here. In the USA, it's not too good right there. It's not really stamped where you can really see it that good. That's the only flaw. Generally, the only flaw I see on this knife that sticks out like a sore thumb. That could have been a lot better on that. I'm open this spade blade up here. Show you that. You see right there, the CS USA's stamping is a lot deeper. And right in here, I'm seeing something right there. I don't know if that's where they didn't polish it. But overall, y'all, I'm happy with this knife. I think it's a really good looking knife. And just want to bring y'all along today, show you what I got there while I was here on vacation here in the Smoky Mountains. I always like to stop by there, at least get me one knife at least every time. And I've never owned a Bear & Sons pocket knife. And when I seen this right here, I really like this Trapper knife. And they got all kind of different ones, lock backs and everything. And I just seen this here, kind of stuck out at me. And I was looking at a green, had green Stag handles on it. And I said, well, this one here looks pretty good. So I decided to go ahead and get this one. And like I said, I've never owned one of these. If y'all got any experience with a Bear & Sons pocket knives, y'all let me know. Just drop me a comment down below if you like them, if you don't like them, or if you had long-term experience with them. I think pretty much most pocket knives, if you take care of them, they'll be good knives. You know, if you hard on them, I figure any knives mess up with you, but I'm not hard on my pocket knives. And I think this knife right here would just be one of them knives that would be probably one of my favorite knives, I'm hoping anyway. Like I say, it's got a 1095 carbon steel blades, so that should be real good. And I really like it. Like this bone handle looks really nice on this knife. But anyway, y'all, I just want to bring y'all along, show you this new pocket knife I got, and appreciate y'all coming along watching the videos. And as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.